Hey there, it's Mark Ling here again, and now we are up to the how it works page. See, so we've done reviews, now we're going to do how it works. So we'll just click on how it works. Okay, so the main product that is promoted on this website is a book called Why Men Pull Away. Discover what he's really thinking by Slade Shaw. In order to purchase this book, there is a 3-step process. Step 1, click add to cart. So you just write something like this. So you're basically just telling them how to go about purchasing it. After watching the video sales letter or reading a written sales page, an add to cart button will appear. You may need to refresh the page for this to appear, as sometimes in testing this is delayed until it is spoken about in the video. Refreshing the page will always make it appear if that is the case. Step 2, decide if you want to take any upsells. Sometimes there is an interstitial, I'm just writing this down, interstitial order page where you get offered the option of joining the ultimate joining the ultimate attraction transformation series for a 1-month free trial, and at other times this is not available. If it is available, then at this point you can decide if you want to add this to your order or not. Take any additional offers. Right, now step 3 might not be a 3-step process. Step 3, enter your credit card details and email address and order the product. Step 4, choose any additional upgrades that this is not essential, but you will be offered some additional upgrades to your purchase that may be helpful to some of you. These are not essential, but can make your can add further value at prices that are of a one-time nature, as you have only just recently purchased. I don't even need to say it. There's some additional upgrades to your purchase that you might find helpful. Step 5, access your purchase. You will be given instant online members access, and you will be emailed access to the members area also. You may need to check your spam folder just in case it has gone there, just in case your login details have gone there, in which case we recommend dragging the email to your inbox in order to whitelist our emails in future. Okay. After this, feel free to contact us if you have any further questions. The members area includes the ability to access this book via Kindle, Apple iBooks, PDF, audio edition of the book, and more. This is an easy to access online purchase. We look forward to hearing your success stories in the future. Done. Okay, there we go. And then all of these, I might make them into little subheadings. So it's 5 steps, not 3. This is a simple 5-step process. So there we go. So I came up with all that off the top of my head. You can reword it how you like, or you can use my wording. That's fine too. Oops, see, did the mistake there. How did that happen? So I just want to highlight that line and make that into a heading. Why did it do the whole thing? I know why. It's because I pressed Shift Enter when I should have just pressed Enter at that point. So there we go. If that's Enter, not Shift Enter, that's why. So I will just simply do that. Now that I need to write something in here just to go with step 3. I'll just write that there. I'll just say into your payment details. There we go. That can be step 3. So then now change that to a heading. Step 4. It's all in one, so I need to separate it. And then I need to separate that. There we go. Now it's its own thing. And heading. And now step 5. Gotta keep that separate. Access your purchase. There we go. If you're going to promote more than one product, you don't need to say the main product promoted here. You just say if you purchase any. I could even say if you purchase any product from this website, no, in order to purchase any product recommended on this website, simply follow steps below. Simply follow the 5-step process below. And then I could just delete that line there. Perfect. There we go. And now I can just click update there, and we're done. Now, if you want to go steal my text and just copy paste it into your page, you just go to greatlifehappiness.com/how-it-works. If I just press that there, and you can copy and paste that text into your page, or you could reword it as you see fit. But that's our How It Works section. All right, that's it from me. Bye for now.